what I want to talk about today is your smoke alarms. Smoke alarms come in many varieties. The ones that we install with the department and the states helps us support that is the 10-year lithium-ion battery smoke alarm. So when we install this in your house, you have 10 year. It'll work for 10 years. With these kit alarms, they do have trouble sensors on them. So if there is a problem with it, they will do a intermittent beep, and you'll hear it. You can call us here at the department. We'll come out and check it, and if it needs to be replaced, we'll replace it. One of the things that you still need to do, even though that you've got this alarm that has a 10-year battery in it, you need to test it monthly. So each month you want to push the little button in the middle and make sure it alarms. If it's alarming, then you've got a good working unit. Just continue to do that each month, and then hopefully it lasts you for the full 10 years. And then if you have any issues with it, of course we'll come out and check them for you. This does not have a battery that you can change, which brings me to the other point I was going to talk about, was going to be about the time change. We just recently had a time change. And if anybody's been by the department, our sign usually says, change your clocks, change your batteries. So if you do have one of the old style smoke alarms that has the batteries in them, please be sure to change your batteries out if you haven't done so already. Anyone that's wanting to get a smoke alarm installed in their house or has a need for a smoke alarm, you can call the station at 931-455-0936. Talk to Melissa Allen. She'll be more than happy to set you up a time, and we'll come out and install them for you for free. This is a great program the state provides. We've probably already installed over 3,000 smoke alarms in the city of Tullahoma, and we just continue to try to get everybody in the city of Tullahoma a smoke alarm.